Scramble to find an ATM? Capital One cash deposit hacks you need. Ever get stuck holding a wad of cash, desperately needing to deposit it into your Capital One account, but with nary an ATM in sight? We've all been there. Maybe you're a freelancer who just got paid in cash, or perhaps you received a generous birthday gift from grandma. Whatever the reason, holding onto a pile of bills can feel inconvenient and, frankly, a little risky. But fear not, fellow Capital One users. Because depositing cash doesn't have to be an ATM-only ordeal. In fact, Capital One offers a surprising variety of ways to get that cash safely tucked into your account. So ditch the frantic ATM hunt and check out these hacks that will have you depositing with ease. Classic convenience, Capital One ATMs and branches. Of course, the trusty ATM remains a reliable option. Capital One boasts a vast network of ATMs spread across the country. Plus, if you have a Capital One 360 checking account, visits to Capital One ATMs are completely free, no pesky withdrawal fees to eat into your deposit. Don't have an ATM nearby? No sweat. Capital One branches are another excellent choice for cash deposits. Head into a branch during business hours, chat with a friendly teller, and they'll handle your deposit in a snap. Capital One cafes even offer a more relaxed environment to make your deposit, with a barista brewing your favorite coffee while you bank. Tech time saver, mobile deposits with the Capital One app. We live in a mobile world, and Capital One gets it. Their top-rated mobile app allows you to deposit checks electronically, but did you know you can also leverage it for cash deposits, indirectly? Here's the clever twist. Capital One has partnered with major retailers like CVS and Walgreens. Using the magic of the Capital One mobile app, you can generate a secure barcode. Simply head to your chosen participating CVS or Walgreens, show the barcode to the cashier along with your cash, and voila! The funds are electronically deposited into your Capital One account. It's a fantastic way to avoid the ATM and get things done during your regular shopping routine. Know the limits, understanding deposit restrictions. Now, before you rush out and try to deposit your life savings at the nearest CVS, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Capital One has set limits on cash deposits via the mobile app and participating stores. These limits typically involve a maximum daily deposit amount and a maximum number of deposits per month. For instance, you might be capped at depositing $999 per day and have a total monthly limit of $4,995. Always check the Capital One website or app for the most up-to-date information on these limits to avoid any surprises. Choosing the right deposit method for you. So, which cash deposit method reigns supreme? It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you value speed and convenience, mobile deposits or in-store options might be your go-to. Traditional ATMs and branches offer a more personal touch, especially if you have questions or need additional banking assistance. Ultimately, the beauty lies in Capital One's diverse deposit options. No more scrambling for an ATM, you have the freedom to choose the method that best suits your situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.